Hello everyone! So welcome to my first YouTube video for this channel. So on this channel I'll be looking at everything to do with homes, gardens, property in general. Really looking at how they're designed and colour schemes and just various different things around, the home life. So at the moment I'll be just looking at various different design themes, and the idea is to eventually get to a point where I'll be showing you the work I'm doing in my own home and the design features, how the home was before and afterwards, and what I used to make it how I will make it, just to give you an idea. So first of all, we will be looking at 6 different shades of blue on lounge walls. And this is quite a common colour, especially on accent walls or feature walls. You find that there are, if somebody wants to make a difference for that wall so that it really stands out. Say if you have a fireplace on that wall or something, a significant feature, then people paint it that particular colour. But blue tends to be quite a common colour at the moment, so we'll be looking at the various different shades of blue, not just on feature walls but on all your walls in the lounges and how they look, just talking it through. I'm not an expert, I just like to see how homes can be beautified, so just putting it out there, giving you some ideas how you can, decorate various different rooms in your home and in your garden as well. And my take on it, whether I like it or not. I may not use the correct terminology because I'm not an interior designer. I've just got a passion for how homes look and how you can actually make them look. So and leave it up to yourselves to decide what you would like to take from it and how you see it fitting into your home. So as you can see, I've got the hex RGB color codes, and these are various different colors of blue which are amazing. So you can see there, if you like a particular color, you can look at that and see whether you can get one the same color or very similar. So this photo here was, I took that from the Better Homes and Garden. And I would say that feature wall is very similar to the Olympic 008 ECC. So not only has the fireplace wall been painted in this blue, but as you can see, they've also done the other walls as well in the alcove. And not too sure if I really like that for a lounge. I mean, it's a personal choice. It goes quite well with the brown cabinet that's sitting in the alcove. Would I have painted the brick fireplace that colour? Probably not. I mean, I like to see exposed brick, and that is really too much blue. But what I would say, that it does look very nice, the way they've, the type of furniture they've used, the pictures that are on the wall seem to be quite warm, even though sometimes people can think that blue is quite a cold colour, but they've achieved something really quite calming and serene with the various different furnitures that they've used for that. So now let's look at the second picture. Now all those walls have been painted blue, but above the picture frame it's white, so it breaks it up a bit. It's not a complete floor to ceiling wall of blue, and also the fireplace is white as well. But that colour looks very similar to this space 1D2951. I really like this colour. However, what I've noticed is there's lots of people using that in their homes. It's quite a common blue colour. But what I like about this design is that they've teamed it up with yellow. You know, that the tones of yellow, I think they really go well with blue, really matches. It seems to highlight and accentuate the blue even more. I like this room, but again, it's yeah, I think it's quite warming. They've got a wood burning stove there, which helps, and they've also got in the alcove there, a pink seating area, pink candles, and also pink flowers. So the blue is the main colour, and then the yellow and the pink is there to complement the blue. What do you guys think? Would you have that in your lounge? Would you paint your lounge that colour? Comment down below. So the third one looks very chalky and quite cold, I find. It's teamed up with a brown chair again. Seems like that's quite a theme. The blue and the brown tends to be quite popular. They seem to have gone with white as the third colour scheme, white and silver. I don't particularly like it myself. It looks very formal, as if you're in an old English office. It's not for me, but some of you may like it and may get ideas on how you would like your lounge to look. So the fourth one is this beautiful lounge here. I really like the colour. It's close to, I would say, Yale OE4D92. That's my guess. I may be wrong, but please correct me if I am. But as you can see, the way they've teamed it up with the, again, brown sofa, but they've put in this wonderful armchair, thrown in different splashes of pink as well. I think it does this room justice. It looks like an older house with large windows which floods it in light, and so it doesn't look so gloomy with that darker blue. I think it's really beautiful. I think it carries really well. Would I have my lounge like that? Again, I don't think I can have every single wall painted blue. It's not my thing, but some of you may like it. So this fifth one, the colour is, I would say it's in between Yale 0E4D92 and Steel 4683B7. This is a really nice lounge. It looks very beach-like if you're near the ocean, because they've teamed it up with white. It looks fresh, it looks minimal, it doesn't look too stuffy. They've got I think it's a greyish or light blue sofa, white curtains or voile, and a really nice white flooring and a white armchair. And it looks very minimal. It looks really calming and relaxing. I could actually live somewhere like this. I can do it at my home like this because it looks really nice. It looks very inviting and looks fresh as well. So let us know in the comments whether you can see yourself having a lounge like this or similar, and if you like the colour scheme. So last but not least is the sixth one. Very similar to the Prussian 003152. This one, they've used it on all the walls and even the sofa. But again, I do think having large windows make a difference. You can get away with having that dark blue on all walls because the windows give so much light. It doesn't feel so oppressive. I'm not too sure about it. Again, too much blue. I can't imagine myself sitting there on a regular basis. I feel it would be too oppressive with all that blue. It looks nice though. Even the curtains have got blue in them, but again, I would not have my lounge saturated in blue, even if it did have large windows and it was a large room. I prefer something a bit more fresh and, you know, inviting and calming, and I think that's an oversaturation of blue. So that's my take on 6 shades of blue on lounge walls. Thank you for listening and joining in. Please comment down below on your views, what you like, what you don't like, what you can take away, what you can't take away. And I'll be back soon with something else to do with homes. Stay tuned. Bye.